Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Airdopes 421 twin wireless earbuds from boAt. The device itself comes in this little compact packaging that you see. The earbuds come in this ergonomic over-the-ear loop design, offering IPX7 splash and waterproof protection with a perfect secure fit. There's fast pair on offer along with high fidelity audio. The devices come with the IWP Insta Wake and Pair function. The device offers 5 hours of playback with an additional 30 hours in the charging case, offering total of 35 hours of playback. You have one-touch support for voice assistants as well as advanced touch controls. The device comes with the ASAP charge fast charge technology, which offers up to 1.5 hours of playback in just 5 minutes of charge. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. The device comes in this little Pebble form charging case. The case itself has the micro USB charging port on the side over here, and you have these LED charging lights at the bottom over here. Along with the device itself in the box, you get the warranty card, the brochure of boAt products, as well as the user manual for the Airdopes 421, giving you full details about the functionality and how to get maximum usage out of your device. Apart from this, you have additional earbuds for customization, as well as the micro USB charging cable. The device itself comes in this little Pebble form charging case. You have the left and right devices marked clearly. The case itself is offers magnetic lock. Here you have the Airdopes 421. On the device, you can see you have the ergonomic secure fit loop in your earbuds, metallic contact points to connect to the charging case, and of course, the touch control at the back. And there you have it, the boAt Airdope 421 twin wireless earbuds. Thank you for joining us.